Hi, I'm Gita Williams from Byw'n Iach, and some of the staff here at Byw'n Iach have come up with some festive tips for you. So my festive tip for this year is if you do feel a little bit energetic over the Christmas period and fancy doing something quite vigorous, then please visit our Byw'n Iach YouTube channel, where there's plenty of videos there for you to follow. There's a huge variety from hit to batter, core, etc. So feel free to have a go, and enjoy the Christmas and stay safe. Bye.
Hiya, Carol here from Byw'n Iach Arfon with your festive tip for the Christmas holidays. And your tip is to go out for regular walks. Go out for walks with your family or by yourself. It doesn't have to be miles or hours of walking. Keep it simple, 30 to 45 minutes walk each day. The benefits of walking: it not only clears your mind, it strengthens your heart, it strengthens your bones and your joints, and it also tones up your muscles. So your tip is to go out for regular walks, enjoy the walk, stay safe, and most importantly, have a Merry Christmas.
I'm Lodi and I work at Byw'n Iach Arfon Centre, and my festive tip is to make sure that you drink enough water every day. Over Christmas, people are likely to drink more alcohol, and alcohol causes the liquids that we drink to pass through the body much quicker than it usually would, and then the body gets dehydrated. So to reduce the risk of dehydration, make sure that you drink enough water every day, especially when you know that you're going to be drinking alcohol, and then make sure that you drink even more water than you usually would the day after, to reduce the risk of dehydration. Merry Christmas!
Hi, I'm Oshan from Byw'n Iach Glaslyn, and my festive tip is to make sure that you get enough of your sleep for your body. Did you know that the lack of sleep can be a contributing factor towards mental health? Ensuring a good amount of sleep with a good pattern can help increase your mental health, help maintain good mental health, and it helps to reduce your stress levels. With your stress levels reduced, it enables you to improve your concentration and attention levels. You are then able to learn and take in information a lot better, and it improves your memory. So I do believe it's something that you should start thinking of now if you haven't already.
Hiya, Sean here from Byw'n Iach Pension in Bala. My top tip over Christmas is, if we buy too much food and we have too much left over at the end in our cupboards, why not donate it to local food banks to help other people that are less fortunate in our community?
Hello, I'm Fiona from Byw'n Iach Pas Francon. My festive tip is it's important to speak and not hold things in. It's that time of year where emotions are all over the place and lots of people find this time of year hard, but to put a brave face on. Encourage people to discuss their feelings with the ones they can trust in.